video, I'm going to show you how I took this and turned it into that. Also this into that. I have 2 pairs of pants with the exact same problem. They're loose around my waist, so whenever I'm walking, they go down and sit funny on my hips, and it just doesn't look good, and it's very annoying. But I really like their style. None of them I care that much about though. One was $20 and I bought them when I was a bit bigger, and then the other one was given to me through my local Buy Nothing group. So I am gonna try something with them. I had seen those chain jeans on Pinterest before, and I thought, what if I did this to the pants that won't stay around my waist? I asked my mom for help because I knew I was going home shortly. It's much easier when you got your mom to help, right? I measured how low I wanted the openings to be and started ripping the seams on each side. Side note here, I'm still learning how to document the whole process of doing fun DIY projects to show you guys. And guess what? I didn't film a lot of the steps that I should have filmed because, I don't know, I got excited and forgot, I guess. So I'm gonna do my best to show you what I mean with the finished product when I'm trying to explain something that I did not film. The burgundy pants were much bigger than the black pants, so we cut back the edges before folding them over and sewing them down. Also, the black pants had real pockets, so we had to cut those out and sew them down to make them into false pockets in order to make the whole thing work. Then, as my mom started explaining how eyelets are usually installed, I realized quickly that we were gonna need my dad. We went to the store to find enough eyelets for the 2 pairs of pants. I measured where I wanted the eyelets to be and marked it down with a chalk, then got my dad to help. Those eyelets are not easy to put on. I had quickly watched a tutorial on YouTube, and I didn't realize how much of a challenge it was going to be. My dad had to use a special tool and even buy a new one of a different size to fit the eyelets that we had. I may have been able to do it myself, but let's face it, having my dad using his men's strength and knowledge of tools was very convenient. One thing to note here is the thickness of the fabric played a big part on how easy or how hard the eyelets were to install, so keep that in mind if you're wanting to try this. The first pair of pants was a bit rocky. We were still figuring out what we were doing. The second pair of pants was much easier since we were getting the hang of it and getting into a groove. So I'd say if you're going to try this on multiple pair of pants, start with your least favorite so you can practice. I'm glad that I started with the black pants because I am so in love with how the burgundy pants look like. They're definitely my favorite. Once that was all done, I added shoelaces and tried them on. It fit perfectly and looked so good. We should have probably cut a bit more of the edges of the black jeans so that we would see the openings more, but I think it looks great regardless, and it keeps it a little more casual / less naked for more casual outings. So overall, it was a great experience and I'm absolutely in love with the burgundy pants. I'll definitely be doing this to more of my pants because a lot of them are a bit loose around the waist and belts just don't look good on me because I'm pretty short. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this because honestly, modifying my clothes has become one of my favorite things to do, and I will definitely be sharing more of my future projects with you guys.